Hello, this is Tom Dowler for Westbury and SNI Lite Edition. In this video I'm going to show you how to personalize your startup reports. So change the look and feel, change some of the visual elements, maybe to better reflect your own corporate identity. Last time we looked at customizing a startup report and we created this instant backlog by priority report by modifying the instant backlog by category report within this document. So this is the document we're going to personalize a little bit. Now the first thing you'll notice maybe is the logo in the top right hand corner, SMI Lite Edition logo. And maybe you want to change that for your own corporate logo. And there's a couple of ways you can go about that. First of all, if you just click on the image and then go to the Properties tab across here on the left hand side, there's a field there, background image, and you can actually just click on that and you can specify another image from a URL or from a file, or you can specify no image in that particular cell. But if you choose this option to change the logo, then you're going to have to go through this process for every report within every document, so that can be a bit painstaking. What you might want to do is to actually overwrite the default image, the WB logo image that you see there. You might want to overwrite that file with your own image so that every time you create a new report or open one of the startup reports or one of your own existing custom reports, that logo, your new logo, comes up by default. So I'm just going to cancel out of this window for now. I'm actually just going to shut down SMI Lite Edition for the time being. If you browse to this folder, so that's your installation directory for SMI Lite Edition, then a folder Business Object Enterprise 12, then Images, you'll see there are two images in there. WB logo, it's a JPEG, and WB logo, that's a PNG file, and both of those are used throughout SMI Lite Edition, so you really need to make sure you overwrite both of those files. So first things first, I'm just going to rename both of these so we don't lose them completely when we overwrite. So I'm just going to rename them both to old WB logo. And then here on my desktop I have two other files, a JPEG and a PNG for Acme Incorporated. That's right, I do actually work for the company that made all those gizmos and gadgets that Roadrunner used when trying to evade. Oh, no, it was the other end. Wile E. Coyote used when trying to capture Roadrunner. I should put it that way. So these are the logo files I want to use in place of the SMI Lite Edition logo. So I'm just going to copy both of those into this images folder. And of course I need to rename them. So I need to rename them so that the SMI Lite Edition looks for these files when it's looking for WB logo. So I'm just going to again rename. I'm going to call these both WB logo. So that one's the JPEG, and that one is the PNG file. Okay, now if we relaunch SMI Lite Edition, and if we reopen our modified report, there we go, there's our new Acme Inc. logo at the top. Now the next thing you might notice is that the orange background on the title now clashes a little bit with our Acme Inc. logo. So again, we can change this through the Properties tab, and you can change the look and feel of most of the things in the report through the Properties tab. So I'm just going to highlight that cell, and you'll see their background color is set to that RGB value. So I'm just going to click on that arrow, and there's a choice of the basic colors. Maybe if we go for this dark blue, there you go. I think that's a pretty good match for our Acme Inc. logo. So everything's starting to look a little more cohesive. The only thing we might want to change is the actual report title. We might want to put it in the same font as our logo. So again, if I just check that option there, we get a font picker. Let's see what we have. We don't exactly have a direct match for that logo, but if we choose maybe a fixed system font, Crew New even, there we go, we get a little more of that stencil feel. And really any aspect of the report, any aspect of the look and feel, you can change through that Properties tab, so it's a good area of the interface to get to know. Okay, that's it for this time, and I'll see you next time.